Welcome back, Tiger Nation. I hope everyone had a great summer break. I apologize I could not be here today, so I made you guys a special video to so you can all see my face and so that I can be a part of your first day back as well. Today, as you can see here, we're going to be going over cybersecurity. How do we keep your info in our system safe? I know last year we really struggled with some phishing emails, account security. I know we switched over to K-12, the new whole system. So I know some people are struggling with that, and I wanted to take some time today to go over it with you. So we got about 6 or so slides here today, and hopefully we can get you in and out of here quick. Um, so welcome back. I hope everyone had a great summer break. Let's go ahead and get started. So understanding, has your account been hacked? Okay, how do you know if it has or has not been? Here are some telltale signs. Did you have an email end up in the trash that you know 100% you did not put in the trash? Okay, that's a typical sign. You're like, where do my emails keep going? Why are they going to the trash? Your account probably has been compromised. Are certain emails going to the wrong folder? Once again, trash is a folder, so if there are emails going to different folders besides trash, another red flag. Are your contacts receiving emails or messages from you that you did not send? This is what we like to call phishing emails. If they're sending something, if you are sending something that you did not send and your contacts in your address book or your friends, I guess, per se, are receiving those messages and emails, you've probably been compromised. And then another telltale sign is your font or your background or something with your account settings are changing and you're not actually the one changing it. So if you answered yes to any of these questions, you probably have a compromised account. Now don't panic on me. Don't throw your desktop out the door like this man did. We're gonna go ahead and get you taken care of. So here we go. Okay. Um, what exactly is a phishing email? A lot of you guys may have never seen one, um, may not know what they look like. This is one actually from our principal that I received just last year from Dr. Meyer. Okay. And it says here, Christy Meyer, on my little, like, the little blue name that pops up on my email says Christy Meyer. But when you actually open it, it's from Samuel Tolu3 at gmail.com. So, and Christy Meyer, is asking, hello, are you available right now? So, um, one thing you can do to kind of prevent these things, we're going to talk about it, but obviously we want to make sure that you're safe. And how do you know that this isn't actually Dr. Meyer contacting you? Because obviously as your boss, she'd be like, oh yes, what do you need? Like, right on top of it, hopefully. But I know I would be. I'd be like, oh my gosh, what do you need? I'll be there just a minute. So, phishing emails. This is an example of one, and this is literally one that I had received. And you guys may have received from Dr. Canizzo. Some of those emails got sent out. From Cindy, those also got sent out. And it just means that their account was compromised, and they're sending out emails trying to get more information from other people in their contact list. So let's go ahead and go on to our next slide here. Your account is compromised, okay? So how do we, change that? How do we fix it? Okay, number one, change the password for your computer and email. It's so simple, and they've have a back door into your account. And so how you prevent them from getting into your account is changing the password that they have, the credentials that they have now. And once you change it, they can't get in anymore. So change your password for your computer and your email. Save your passwords in a secure place so you can remember them, not just on the keychain. Some of you guys may not know what a keychain is. A keychain is the system that remembers your passwords for you and automatically puts them in there. So it's easier. But in reality, if your account's ever compromised and you need to reset things, not knowing your passwords can be very difficult for you. If the problems persist, emails keep going to your trash, to the wrong folder, backgrounds are changing, emails are still going out from your account that you're not sending, okay, you need to contact our IT department. Cindy is our go-to person here, our contact here. She has 3 other buildings she's in charge of, so please send her a message or put in a help desk ticket, and she will get with you as soon as she can. So, but make sure we change our password first. That is the most important thing you can do, and it'll probably solve most of your problems. Okay, so let's go on to our next slide here. Maintaining your security. Let's say you're a golden child. You don't go to any insecure, shady websites. You don't click on things you don't know. You always double check. You're very cautious. You're not opening content that's not yours. How do we maintain? And let's say you did, like you're like, man, it was said it was from Dr. Meyer. I opened it up and boom, now my email's messed up. So you got your password changed, everything like that. How do we maintain our security? How do we keep our accounts and our computers secure? We're going to talk about that. So continued security, okay? If you see the wordage on email, or let's say Dr. Meyer emails you at like 2 a.m. or something crazy and it seems just a little off, make sure you check the full email domain before opening that email. So like I showed you on that one before, it said it was from Dr. Meyer, it said Christy Meyer, but the email domain was samueltulu3@gmail.com. Obviously, the email domain does not match our domain. So therefore, you don't open it. You don't open any attachments with it. So that comes to our second point. Don't open any attachments from people that you are not sure about. Let's say, I don't know, let's say Bixler. Bixler, your email got hacked. You had a phishing email that sent out and it said, please open this attachment and go over this with me tomorrow during school. And it was like, I think I got that email from you at like 3 a.m. or something crazy. And I was like, what is this? And some people accidentally open those attachments and then now they have a virus on their computer and their account has been compromised along with everyone else in your contact list. So don't open any attachments unless you know for certain that that person was sending you something, okay? Or you guys don't forget, I know we live in the digital age, but you can always send a phone call to ask to see, hey, did you send me something that I need to look at? It won't take very long. Or if you're one of those people that can't handle phone calls, you can always shoot a text message, So, yeah, you can always do that. Or send them an email and ask, to their not responding to the one you got, but making a new one and asking. Change your password on a regular basis. So, we are all prompted, like in July or something or June to like change your password. Okay. If you have to change your password on a regular basis, just kind of to clean house. Okay. You don't wait until you have bed bugs and nasty mold or asbestos growing in your house before you clean it, right? You're not going to wait till you have a virus on your computer or your computer get compromised before you change your password. So it's just upkeep, change it real quick and move on with your day. Be cautious of what websites you visit on a district device, or really any device, because that's how viruses are placed in our system or on our computer, by accessing websites that we shouldn't be on, or maybe not shouldn't, but accidentally end up on, and then boom, we're now compromised. So make sure you're just aware, take time, use some common sense, okay? And let's say you're like, listen, I don't do computers. Computers aren't my thing. The internet's not my thing. Cybersecurity is not your thing. Perfectly fine, okay? This is going to be posted on our EHS staff resource page. Mr. Rink is going to put it on there. We have SlideShare cybersecurity on all devices, so not just our district devices, but your cell phones, banking accounts, those type of things. This SlideShare goes over that in pretty simple, concise. I think there's like 13 slides on there. And then also this commonsense.org, this second site, is actually an online safety course. I actually use it for my kids in Success 101, but if you're starting from ground zero, just like they are, I mean, it's not bad to get fundamentals and vocab and understand exactly, what kind of world is happening around you. It's better to be proactive than just reactive all the time. So there's an online course for you if you'd like to take that as well. It goes a little bit more in depth, gives you more vocabulary, more situationals, and further explains it to a deeper extent. So And once again, I'm always here, I'm just around the corner down in Khaki Corner. So if you need me, come and ask me any questions you need. And I'll be happy to help. And Cindy's here, and Mr. Rank, is our tech guru. So go to him for any problems as well. We are all here to help and to make this not as daunting and make sure our system is secured for everyone else and our students. So, yeah, I hope everyone has a great day back. Once again, I'm sorry for not being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful time. I hope this was helpful. Please send me emails, give me feedback. I'd love to hear what you thought. Maybe something that should have been added, not said, taken in, putting out. Whatever you think, I'd love to have your feedback. Once again, welcome back, Tigers. It's time for school year. Attitude of gratitude. Have a great day, and I will see you all later. Bye.